Lake Dia. So thousands of Tibetans protesting against China there, as you can see, in Jantar Mantar. Our correspondent Simi Pasha is there at Jantar Mantar site of the protest. Simi, this is still very much a non-violent protest. What's the situation like right now?
Well, Amita, yes, this is a very non-violent protest. It started at Rajghat. A symbol of peace and non-violence for all the Indians. The Tibetans obviously trying to align themselves with the Indians. The run was more or less peaceful. It started at Rajghat and they ran through most of the arterial roads of Delhi, blocking traffic mostly, but after reaching Jantar Mantar, they were greeted by thousands of Tibetans here. Right now, as you can see behind me, if it's possible for you to see, there are traditional Tibetan dances going on. There was a yak dance that happened right now. There's a sense of jubilance amongst the Tibetans here. They're happy that they were able to complete their parallel torch run today. There were lots of security hassles. The Delhi police was on the watch. There were bids of self-immunization, which is why the Delhi police was making sure that nothing violent happens during the run. In fact, we spoke to Jaya Jaitley, who told us she bought a fake torch to run along with the parallel torch, so that if the Delhi police tried to take it away, they're not able to take the original torch. She also told us that the Delhi police officials took away that torch with her some 3 times. Right. She had to fight, and she had to really fight to keep it with her. But more or less on the part of the protesters, it's been really non-violent. We're also getting reports from other Tibetan groups that they will be assembling at Rajpath. This is the Youth Congress, which have kept away from the parallel torch relay. They will be gathering at Rajpath, but because of the strong presence of security forces there, they will not be attempting any kind of violence. They will not be attempting to grab the torch away. It actually won't be possible for them, but they will be showing their protest at Rajpath also.
See, a very quick question to you at this point. We're expecting to see a lot of high-profile names, like you mentioned, Jaya Jaitley at this point. Are they there at Jantar Mantar at present with the monks there?
Well, Amita, it has kind of been endorsed by celebrities. We had George Fernandez flagging off the torch relay. We had Nafisa Ali and Jaya Jaitley making speeches here. As of now, they're saying that they plan to move with the protesters to India Gate at some capacity. They will try to show their presence at Rajpath. Even if they're not able to get into the hexagon of India Gate, they will try to reach into the other arterial roads around India Gate and try and show their presence there as well.
Right. And what we're showing at this point is, of course, thousands of protesters there. Simi Pasha, thanks for joining us from Jantar Mantar. Of course, we will come back to you as things develop. It remains to be seen whether those protesters will be allowed anywhere near Rajpath, which is, of course, where the Olympic torch relay will be held in a short while from now. Continuing coverage on that, we'll take a short break at this point, but still ahead on the show. India's first test tube baby is 22 years old today. She was once